Hi, I'm Beverly Prentice with Nutrition Specialists of Northeastern Oklahoma. And today, Tori Giesland, another one of our dietitians, is with us, and we will be working with our pediatric patients, teaching them about nutrition and fun food facts.
I'm learning nutrition.
Yes, we've been working with Sid on drinking water and eating her fruits and vegetables and learning to eat protein. So to start off with, it's real important we drink enough water. Do you want the one infused with vegetables or fruits?
Fruits.
I knew you would say that. You love your fruits, don't you? And you've tasted lots of new foods this year. Water and sunshine and exercise are just about as important as what we eat. Now, Sid, do you remember when we learned about wheat and we learned about our breads being made with whole grains? You remember that? This is a whole grain bread and this is a store-bought bread. And it's really healthy if we can buy the whole grain bread because it has fiber. And fiber plus water helps us go to the bathroom, doesn't it? And we work on that. Okay, so would you like to put a piece of turkey on our bread and show people how to make a sandwich with turkey and cheese? Okay, here you go. You want one slice or two? You want another slice? You just want one, okay. And you want cheddar cheese, right? You want one slice or two?
One.
Okay. And then we cut it to make a butterfly, right? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it like this. And we're going to make it into a butterfly, and that's called a flutter bite sandwich. So we have our little celery in the middle, and then we have our red pepper. We can put mayonnaise on there. What are you making?
A fruit taco.
And what are you going to put on it? Some nut butter?
Yes.
So that is peanut butter. We learned about peanuts this year. We learned about peanut butter. We even learned about a recalled one. We learned about sun butter because sometimes kids are allergic to peanuts. And then we have a mixed nut butter. But today you're just using straight up peanut butter, right? The natural peanut butter. And then instead of jelly, you're going to put fruit on it. Right? So grab you some fruit. Okay, you want some fruit? Because this is going to be a taco. So you love blackberries and strawberries and blueberries. You want a raspberry in there? There's a raspberry. You've learned to like lots of fruits this year. And lots of different textures you've gotten used to. And so then we can, do you want to put honey or maple syrup on it, drizzle it, or no, just eat it like that? Which do you want? Put just a little bit of Oklahoma honey in a small drizzle. Then we fold it up. You show them the taco that you made? Yummy! And have a bite. See if you like that. Yum!
We're going to serve the kids some frozen yogurt popsicles. So I took some Greek yogurt, frozen yogurt, and you freeze it with blended fruit. You can do fruit of your choosing, strawberries. I chose blueberries, and I mix it with a little bit of honey to make it not as tart. And then and you just freeze it in popsicle molds. We're gonna give them to the kiddos. Who wants a popsicle? No popsicle? It's a blueberry popsicle.
I'm swimming.
You're swimming.
I got green.
You want a popsicle?
You want green? Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. I'll leave yours out here for later, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for joining us today. We've had a lot of fun working with these pediatric patients who have learned about nutrition over the last year, and they've grown so much and come so far.
It's Quinn here. Welcome to Beverly Channel. Before we get started, click on the subscribe button, turn on icon, and give it 2 thumbs up.
Like Quinn said, like and subscribe and give us 2
Two thumbs up.